Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Toyota Tundra without a key. We will cover practical and safe methods for getting your truck running when your primary key is not functioning or is simply out of reach. This guide focuses on legitimate solutions, ensuring you can operate your vehicle without resorting to unsafe or illegal practices. We will discuss smart key workarounds and the utility of remote start systems, providing you with confidence and control over your Tundra. If your Toyota Tundra uses a smart key and its battery dies, do not panic. First, find the small, physical key blade usually tucked inside the fob. This allows you to manually unlock the driver's door. Once inside, simply press the smart key fob directly against the engine start button. The vehicle system is designed to read the key's transponder chip at very close proximity, even without battery power, allowing you to start the engine. Many Toyota Tundra models come equipped with a remote start system, either from the factory or as an aftermarket addition. This feature allows you to start your truck's engine from a distance without needing the key in the ignition. Typically, you will press a specific button sequence on your key fob, often pressing the lock button 3 separate times or holding a dedicated remote start button for a few seconds. Some advanced aftermarket systems even let you start your Tundra using a smartphone application. When starting your Tundra without a traditional key, always prioritize safety. Ensure the transmission is securely in park or neutral before attempting to start the engine. It is also a wise practice to keep a spare key, perhaps a physical one, in a secure and easily accessible location, like a magnetic box hidden on the vehicle's undercarriage. Furthermore, proactively replace your smart keys battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid being caught off guard by a dead fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.